dark skin, light skin, medium tongues, pumping braids, got mini afros, big lips, got tips, some of us don't, big nose contour, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in a video, bro. Wanna put pretty like a Kardashian, wanna put pretty like mine. Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Dorsanee Hair. Now, this is my first time ever hearing about Dorsanee Hair and also working with them, so I'm pretty excited to test out the quality of their hair and let you all know about them. They sent over a chocolate brown 13x4 curly unit in 26 inches. It came in a box like this with their logo on it, of course. On this side, it has their website along with their support email if you need to get in contact with them. And then on this side, it has like QR codes to their YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. So if you want to check out any of those, you can just put your phone up to the screen and then I guess like click on the link that pops up. In the box, you'll receive a pair of eyelashes, a wig cap, a melt band, and then of course your satin baggie with your unit inside. Now your unit does come double bagged because like I just stated, it comes in the satin bag, but then it also has a hairnet on top, and then it also comes in one of these plastic bags. But I did want to mention that the sticker on this plastic bag says curly 13x4 26 inch 180% number 1B. I'm feeling like this was a mistake because this is definitely a number 4 chocolate brown unit, so just wanted to point it out, but I'm gonna ignore it. This is how the unit is being portrayed online, and then this is how the unit is looking in person. And so far, I wanna say that yes, we are getting exactly what's being portrayed. The cap construction for this unit comes with 4 combs in total, 1 in the back, the other 3 are at the front, with 2 of them being on each side of the unit and 1 being in the very center. It also comes with adjustable straps. As for a security band, this unit does not come with one, nor is one offered within the box. So just make sure you have some either adhesive spray or either some glue to be ready to attach this unit with. I stated earlier that this is a 13x4 unit, but they do also offer it in a 5x5 closure unit as well. When it comes to the densities of this unit, I also mentioned this earlier that it's 180%, but they do also offer 250% as well. When it comes to the lengths offered for this unit, they offer this unit in a 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, and 32. Wow. They offer even a longer length than another company. Like, dang, that's a lot of hair. So if you want the inches, check out Dorsanee Hair. When I first pulled this unit out of the box, I immediately noticed that the hairline had been pre-plucked, which I appreciate because from the looks of it, they did a really good job. Another thing I noticed is that the knots had been pre-bleached on this unit, which again, they did a really good job, but me being me, I did decide to go in and bleach the knots again. The unit took the bleach really well. I want to say I left it on there for like all of 10 minutes, and that's because I used 40 volume developer, but like still, even after that, I had no excessive shedding or anything like that, so that's always a positive. I will say when I first took the unit out of the package, the curls did seem a little bit tight, but of course once I shampooed and conditioned the unit and then I let her air dry, it loosened up a lot in my opinion, and like now they just like look so big and fluffy and defined. Like, yes. But y'all know I try not to be long-winded, so let me go ahead and install this unit, and then of course I'll come back with my final thoughts.
You say you want me, I don't ignore you. You said it first, but I did it more, girl. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, you got potential, I can't explain it. You're so persuasive, I made some changes. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Where were you this whole time? Come and see me now, not another time. You should come and see me on the regular. I don't know if we'll find a better time. Where were you this whole time? Come and see me now, not another time. You should come and see me on the regular. I don't know if we'll find a better time. Cause I've been sleeping with a pistol in my bed. I'd rather have you here instead. I gotta get out of my own head. Don't let me down, right now. Yeah. Don't let me down, come here right now. and face it, don't keep me waiting. You love me how you love me, then just say it. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Girl, what's the hold up? Come take me over. You came the closest, we should be closer. Oh yeah, oh.
So let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Dorsanee. I'm going to start off by saying, get this unit. You need her for this spring and this summer. In some of my recent videos, I've been speaking about how I'm really enjoying curly hair right now. And this is a unit that I didn't know that I needed, but I'm glad that I have it. The chocolate brown, the curls, the fluffiness of the curls, it's doing exactly what it needs to do. I will let you guys know the only con that I have is that this unit says that it's 180% density. To me, I feel like it should be the tiniest bit thicker. Now, don't get me wrong, clearly I'm loving the unit, but again, to me, it's just feeling like more so 150 than it is 180. Although the unit doesn't have a security band attached, it still feels very secure by me just simply using my even adhesive lace spray. I don't know why I wanted to say lace tint spray, but with me using that adhesive spray, the unit still feels really secure and really comfortable. Speaking of feeling comfortable, I would say that this unit is big head friendly. She's sitting on my head pretty nicely, and I'm pretty sure I could adjust those adjustable straps in the back to make it tighter, but I'm gonna just leave them where they are for right now. So far, I'm not getting any tangles, and the little bit of shedding that I am getting is probably from when I went in and plucked the hairline a little bit more. Earlier, I spoke about how the hairline came pre-plucked and it looked really good, and I still stand by that, but I do feel like me going in and plucking a little bit more hairs out of the hairline just made it look even more realistic. Earlier, I spoke about how this is a 26-inch unit, and I would definitely say that she's hitting me at 26 inches. Well, really more so at 24 inches, because keep in mind this is a curly unit, so it is going to shrink up a little bit. Something I haven't mentioned in the video yet is that I believe that this unit has some layers cut into it. If you can tell, like right up here, I have like some shorter pieces, and then as you can see, there's these pieces, and then it gets longer towards the end. So if you are someone who's wanting like straight up 26 inches throughout the entire unit, you might want to avoid this unit. For me personally, I like it just because I don't have to worry about shaping it, because it's technically already been shaped itself. Well, not itself, but by the company. This hair is so pretty and so easy to work with. Like I stated earlier in the video, I did go in and shampoo and condition the unit, and so this is pretty much how the curls came out. Very defined, again, with no product in it whatsoever, but obviously I did frizz up the hair when I was like messing with the top of it. So to define these curls, which I don't think I recorded this part, but I just took some Nairobi spray. I showed the water, I think. Did I not? I'm not really sure, but I did spray water on it at first, and then I decided to go in with my Nairobi foaming lotion and just piece the hair piece by piece, chunk by chunk, yeah. And then I put some Nairobi lotion on it, wrapped the hair around my finger, let it go, and then I just let it dry. And then once it was dry, I fluffed it out a little bit, and then that's how you got, or how I got, more defined curls. Why can't I talk? I will say to keep in mind that this is curly hair, so the more you touch it, the more you manipulate it and whatnot, it is going to get frizzier and bigger. So I would recommend doing what I'm doing and try to keep your hands out of it. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. She's definitely a must-have for this spring and this summer, and she's also a little bit different compared to the just, you know, normal 1 and 1B curly unit. But if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at tandotson. I'll be sure to have all the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.